What is going on, Cigar Club family? We are here in Louisville, Kentucky.
Louisville.
Masks and all for some of us. And we're heading over to BBQ Buddha's house for a bourbon cigar and barbecue night. We're gonna be grilling, smoking cigars, talking about some new stuff coming for the club, hanging out, having a great time. Come on with us. It's gonna be a great night.
Shoots underneath, and then the difference between.
Guys, we are off to a great start here at Chris, aka BBQ Buddha's house. Can you complain? Griff's up there holding down the fort. I am smoking a potential cigar for BBQ Buddha. It's one we've been working on for a little bit. I've been sending him a lot of cigars to get his palate preference. We're working on a really cool project that we can do with him, and this is a cigar we just started smoking and we are really enjoying it. Made in Esteli, Nicaragua. I won't give away the name of the factory just yet, although you guys are familiar with it and with the cigars we've been making over there. But it's a beautiful Mexican San Andres wrapped Nicaraguan filler binder, medium to full bodied, lots of chocolate and black pepper. We hit a couple turns of like red hot cinnamon candy. We're really enjoying it. I'm about to go bug Chris, see he is working up at the Green Eggs on the grill. Get a little info from him. Hey, we got the Latin music going. It's a great day to be part of the Cigar Club family. A lot of fun things coming for you guys. Thanks for hanging out, and say hey to our buddy. What's up? Give us the story here, Chris. What's going on?
So we're reverse searing these big hunks of meat. That's a Wagyu Picanha down there. And these are Cowboy ribeyes, which the differentiation between a Cowboy ribeye and a tomahawk ribeye is they cut the meat handle off the bone. And we're reverse searing these things. So we're cooking them nice, low and slow until they come up to 115, 120 internal temperature. And then I'm gonna sear them off on here.
These are tiny steaks. You got anything bigger?
Well, you know, I figured we didn't eat very much, so.
Smoke show.
Oh!
What's going on here, Chris?
We are just trying to bring these things up to temp and get that nice hard sear, and because of all that fat from the Wagyu, you're getting a lot of flare-ups.
A little smoky here. Cigars and
Buddha.
And Buddha smoke.
Yes, cigarclub.com.
BBQ Buddha. A
Yes.
match made in heaven.
That should
Good
be
to
our
be here,
shirt.
pal. It is. It's gonna be the shirt. If you want to see the shirt, let us know. It's almost dinner time.
Bourbon, Kentucky.
HVC Cigar Club exclusive.
This is it. This is the life. Surrounded by smoke.
Surrounded by smoke.
Yet another
That
t-shirt.
is what I'm talking about.
So this is a picanha, reverse sear picanha. Look at that, beautiful. And these are two Cowboy ribeyes that are cooked. Hopefully they'll be cooked pretty well. Maybe a little on the rare side, but hey, we're all adults here. So here's the anatomy of ribeye, okay?
Tell us.
So ribeye has two cuts of muscle. This one is called the ribeye cap. So that's like the most coveted piece of meat on a cow. This is delicious. We'll take a bite of that. And then the middle of the ribeye is the rib eye. That's this piece right here in the middle. And the reason why they call it rib eye is it's an eye The muscle runs down the ribs, sections 6 through 12 on a cow, and that's where you get these bones. Ooh, that's perfect, dude.